Hello, today we're going to do a little turtle game. Turtle is not the best. It's actually a pretty bad module for making games. But here's a little one that we can make. And we're very, very close with what we have currently. So the first thing we need to do is take our current program and add a second turtle. I'm going to call this T2. Turtle.turtle. So now we have two turtles on the screen. Now we're gonna use this turtle.screen function a couple times. So we're gonna save it as window. Window equals turtle.screen. And then we're gonna start with our pen up. All right. Now we're gonna have ourselves start at 100, 100. So we're gonna do go to 100, 100. And we're gonna have my color be red. All right. Box says 300. We're good with that. And we keep everything as far as up, down, left, right, check bounds. And we go to the end of the program. Now, if we ran this right now, you can just see there's one turtle here, and we have a red turtle there. That's our start. And if we want to move this one, you can see now with that pen up, it doesn't leave a tracing line on where it's going. So that's good. So now what we're going to do is write a quick little game, and I'll write this up and be back after I pause it so to explain. All right, I wrote it out, and there's one thing at the top that I forgot to throw in, but I'll go back to it. All right, we're going to start this and say caught equals false. So that's just saying he's starting out not being caught, and the score is 0 when we start out. And now this thing right here is a while loop, which means whatever is indented just keeps on going forever and ever until uh, not caught, uh, until this becomes true. And that only happens when the distance between the two turtles is less than 5. So what we do is, while not caught, the second turtle will set its heading facing towards the first turtle, and then move forward 10. And for every time it loops through, you get a point. And if we're less than 5 pixels away, it's going to be caught true, and so then it won't keep looping through. And then this time.sleep, 0.2, it just, it's how fast it is for it to move around, 1/5 of a second. And so in order to use that, we need to import time at the top. So we'll import time, type this in, and it should be running. And then when you lose, it should say game over, and it gives you a place to input some text you scored and however many points you scored. And then it prints it on the screen. So let's give it a shot. So if I run the program, you can see the blue one is coming towards me. I'm the red one, and I just need to get away. And I'll let myself be caught here. All right, he came within 5 pixels, and so I scored 40 points. And so I can type in Mr. Heeb. Right now we don't have any place to save it or anything, but we can do that, and we're done. And so it says Mr. Heeb, 48 points in my line. Now, from here, think about all the things that you can vary on here to make the game more interesting. This game is not quite hard enough yet, but I'm sure you could think of ways to change it to make it harder.